In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to install a BumperBully to your vehicle. For demonstration purposes, I'll use a BumperBully Gold. To start, you will need to attach and secure the Velcro trunk straps inside the trunk compartment. You will only need to do this the first time you install the BumperBully. If the Velcro trunk straps do not adhere to your trunk's carpeting, use the optional Velcro stickers provided. For a video tutorial, please watch our alternate installation using Velcro stickers. Let's begin. Center the BumperBully on your vehicle's bumper and use your legs to hold the product in place while installing the Velcro trunk straps to the carpeting. Once attached, make micro adjustments to the straps until you have the BumperBully in the perfect spot on the bumper. After you have safely parked your vehicle, it's time to deploy the BumperBully. Simply flip the product out onto your bumper, center it, and make any necessary adjustments if needed. Just be sure your product is positioned above your exhaust pipe. Never block or cover the vehicle's exhaust. Before driving or operating your vehicle, always return the BumperBully to the trunk compartment. To do this, simply flip the BumperBully back inside the trunk compartment and store it flat. Keep it clean. For best results, regularly clean your BumperBully and the vehicle's bumper using a car wash soap. Simply wipe down the front and back surface, rinse, and you're all done. It's really that simple. If you're on the go and simply want to do a quick wipe down, simple cleaning wipe will do the trick. Simply wipe down the surface. It's really that simple. Please note that the BumperBully was designed for parked vehicles. Do not drive or operate your vehicle with the BumperBully outside your vehicle. Always store inside your trunk before driving. Thanks for watching. Please check out BumperBully's full line of car accessories, including the new BumperBully Carbon Wraparound Bumper Guards, the BumperBully Flex Front Bumper Guard, plus license plate frame, and the full line of stick-on bumper guards. If you have any questions, please reach out. We are always happy to help.